Then the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, that no one knows you better.
Hi guys! So ngayon, gagawin ko yung back to school makeup. Pero para sa akin, ito challenge ko yung sarili ko para like, example lang, kung ako yung papasok na sa school na nagmamadali na ako. So, gagawin ko na lang na para may challenge naman itong gagawin ko. Challenge ko yung sarili ko na magta-timer ako ng 5, ayan, nakita ba? Ayan, gagawin kong 5 minutes yung pagme-makeup ko. Itong gagawin ko is for school makeup lang, na mga basic lang na gagawin ko. Pwedeng gagawin siya sa school. So, para makita nyo kung paano ko gagawin yung makeup na 5 minutes makeup, kung matakpan ko ba lahat or like, hindi ako gagamit ng foundation kasi mainit sa school sa panahon sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, mainit. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, gagamit lang ako ng ibang product na hindi foundation para hindi naman masyadong mainit para sa skin natin. So, kung gusto nyo makita na gagawin ko, so, magta-timer ako ng 5 minutes. So, kung ma-achieve ko ba matapos ko ng 5 minutes. So, let's get started. Yan, makita ko muna. Yan, 5 minutes yan, start.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here standing face to face, you already know that you won. Oh, I know that dress is karma, you regret. Yeah, you got me thinking about when you were mine. Now I'm all up on you. What you expect, baby? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? Yeah, you just want attention. on the low. Baby, you can trust me. Promise I'm alone. I will tell her so. Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. You already know. I'll keep it on the low. Baby, you can trust me. Promise I'm alone. I will tell her so. Send it to my phone. You took it in the mirror so I could see clear. Baby, I'm not fear. You know I'm staying in. I know you wanna share. Baby, might as well. You know I keep it true. You know I never tell. I'm sure you took a few. Tell me one or two. I know when the hell I blink, that can only mean one thing. You know what I like, what I've been waiting on. What's taking so long? Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. You already know. I'll keep it on the low. Baby, you can trust me. Promise I'm alone. I'll tell her so. Send it to my phone.
Okay, then send it to my phone like a message that's unread. Send it to my phone, new picture openly. Hope they read it. Awesome, my phone got them motivated. Send it to my phone like a notification. Send it to my phone, but my ring got cut off. I can't leave you alone, even though I'm single and out. Send it to my phone like a message from my BM. Notify me on my phone like a message.
So, ayan guys. Natapos ko na. So, kung gusto nyo na may gagawin pa ako na tulad ng ganito, pero mas, mas better pa. So, comment lang kayo sa baba. Tapos, like this video and subscribe to my channel.